Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you check TikTok money that you have made on TikTok. So you can open the TikTok app and just wait. Go to your profile and select three line in the top right corner and then check setting and privacy. So up here's the balance. Just click on it. So it is a coin balance that you have, and you can use this coin balance to give someone on TikTok. So to check your money that you have made on TikTok, you can select live tips, and this is your TikTok money. Here so you can withdraw. So that's how you can check your TikTok money that you have made on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.